In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear ABS speed sensor on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located behind your rear wheels. Using a 22mm socket, loosen and remove your lug nuts. Grab that wheel, remove it, and set it aside. Use a 10mm socket to go ahead and loosen and remove the bolt here for the ABS sensor. Okay, and grab that sensor and wiggle that out. You want to grab the mount itself, not the wire, and go ahead and twist that out. You follow the wire around to the upper arm here, and we're going to use our trim tool to go ahead and pop out the plastic retainers here. And do that for the second one back here. Go ahead and pop that out. On the back of our cradle here, we have our ABS sensor connector. We're going to use our trim tool. Going to go up underneath and go ahead and pop that out. Now right here is a red locking clip. I'm going to use a small pick, or you can try and use your thumb. And we want to pop that out. There we go. And then press in on this little tab and separate the two components. Feed this up and through, and we're going to pull it up through the other side. Go ahead and remove that from the vehicle. I'm going to take your connector for the ABS sensor, feed that up and over the cradle. Feed that down behind your emergency brake cable. Connect your connector. You're going to feel it and hear it click in and press in that red lock tab. Now you're going to press the two retaining buttons into the cradle itself. Let's go ahead and feed your sensor wire over and through. Install the two plastic push pins into the control arm here, and then bring the sensor over. Feed that into the knuckle itself. Now we can install the bolt. I'll have to get this started by hand first. Thread that down as far as you can. And you want to snug that down. Now once you feel the bolt bottom up, just give it a little bit more. It doesn't have to be super tight, you just want it to be snug. Now once you're done with this here and you install your wheel, you want to be sure to clear any ABS codes before you go for a road test. And at that point there, you're all set. Grab your wheel, line that up. Let's go ahead and install our lug nuts. Now that we have all of the lug nuts started by hand, we can go ahead and snug those down. Get and torque down your lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.